Hello beautiful souls, my name is Heather, welcome to my channel, and this is going to be a video about 8 things that you can do on the 8/8 portal to really make use of this beautiful energy. So let's get started. The Lionsgate Portal is on the 8th of August, which is 8/8, and it happens every single year. It's during Leo season, hence the name Lionsgate. And this is a day where magical things can happen. Not all of us are blessed to live in Cairo and see the pyramids, but if you were there on the 8th of August, what you would see is the Orion's Belt, and one of those stars is Sirius, and they line up in a row, and this is the only day you can see it. And apart from, marveling at the beauty of the Orion's Belt, the main star that we're focusing on is Sirius, because on this day, it looks like it's the closest to Earth. Obviously, the star is, millions of light years away probably. And a fun fact about Sirius, it's the brightest star, and it's also 26 times brighter than the sun. And if you obviously add 2 plus 6 together, you get 8. And I think this is all connected. And 8 in numerology is a number of abundance. It's a magic, a luck, money, wealth. It's a very lucky number. But if we take the number 8 and apply it to astrology, as in the signs, it's the sign of Scorpio, which is, sometimes we think of Scorpio of like this dark energy, but I'm seeing this as the opposite, because Leo is so bright and Sirius is, the day that it's the brightest. This is really emphasizing inner transformation and growth, and sometimes that can be uncomfortable. And this day is actually one of the best days to have a day for you. And because of this, really incorporating that energy of Scorpio, it's a great day to actually have some introspection, to be grateful for what you have, and also let go of anything that is no longer serving you. And also the tarot card relating to this day is the Strength Tarot card, which is of course 8 and also has the lion in it. But everything is connected on this day. We have 8s all over the place. If you're already, as Abraham Hicks would say, on your high flying disc, you're enjoying life, you can really expect this day, this portal, to be open for you to receive some blessings. But if right now you're not feeling like you're in alignment, this is the best day to get yourself into that place, because if you're already in lack and you're not feeling good about your life, then just being like, please give me some blessings, just let me manifest something, that's not the energy that, the universe responds to. I imagine this is like you're a little kid and you're asking for something you really want, and you know that the more you beg, the more you plead, the more you cry, you might actually get the thing, right? But the universe doesn't work like that. It's all about chillaxing and trusting. And now I'm going to give you the 8 ways that you can really make use of this beautiful Lionsgate Portal energy, so you can make it the most abundant day, really. So these 8 things I'm going to give you, you can do them all in one day, but I recommend just picking a few that really align with you, and maybe they'll inspire you. The first thing that is really good to do on Lionsgate Portal 8/8 is to meditate. It's to slow down and clear your mind, to get clear on what you want. Sometimes, especially in summer, but August is usually a time where it's very busy. We have a lot of plans, we're off school or whatever's going on. And this is a good time to just really stop and slow down and ask yourself, how am I? What do I want? What are my intentions? I also have a meditation on my channel, which is for the Lionsgate Portal, if you want to listen to that after, or you could just, listen to any meditation. It's a great time to just clear your mind, especially if you haven't meditated a lot. Why not go for it? There is absolutely no downside to meditating. The second thing that you could do is connect to the Strength Tarot card. You can do this through journaling. So these are some questions that you could ask yourself. What does this card mean to me? How can I tap into my inner strength? How can I be more brave? What are my heart's desires? As we know, Leo rules the heart. So these are some journaling prompts that you could use, or you might feel inspired to have your own. But really look at this card. You could print screen or pause this video and just journal what it brings up for you. The third thing that you could do on the Lionsgate Portal is create what I call a let it go list. And because it's the 8th day, you can write 8 things that you want to let it go. This could be habits, this could be people, this could be thoughts that you want to remove from your life. And then once you've written all those 8 things down on paper, you're going to burn the list, burn it all away, because obviously Leo is a fire sign, and burning things just really feels good, but it's also very, transformational. If you're not happy with fire, you're not comfortable with fire, you can just rip it up and pop it in the trash. The fourth thing that you can do is to write a gratitude list. Because there's a lot of information about Lionsgate, about how we can receive a lot. The portal's open and this is a great day for abundance and miracles and blessings. But if you're not already feeling blessed, it's going to be really hard for you to attract more blessings. And even if you do, you might sabotage it by telling yourself that you're not worthy of it. And a great way to do this is to write a gratitude list. And again, 8 things that you are grateful for. It could be your health, the people in your life, your career, whatever it is that makes you feel good. Write it down, read it out loud, and just feel really blessed. Like, even if on this day, nothing magical happens, you already feel magical. That's the kind of headspace you want to get into, and that's the best space to be in to receive. The fifth thing that you can do is to drink lots of water on this day, because it is, a Scorpio energy, that inner transformation and change and growth. For example, imagine all these plants behind me. If I didn't water them, they wouldn't grow. And growing isn't always fun. It can be uncomfortable for plants. They have to obviously make their way through this. They might get stuck on here or whatever it is. So just like yourself, you have to water yourself, purify. And if you have water today, you could even drink this and have an intention for it, like I am clearing out anything that no longer serves me, because water actually does have memory, and it's been scientifically proven that if you speak to water, it holds that memory, holds that thought, and then you can cleanse yourself. So try that and drink lots of water on this day. Number 6 is to align with your future self, because we are entering this transformational stage with this day, which is, a great day to, manifest. What even is manifest? And I see a lot of people say I want to manifest a new boyfriend. And really that just means I want a new boyfriend because I don't have one, I feel in lack. But when you are aligning with your future self, you are bringing in those qualities and those feelings from that manifestation into your here and now. So for example, if you want to manifest a new love, today is a great day to treat yourself as if you love yourself enough that you don't even need extra love. Buy yourself, some flowers or some chocolates. Or if you want to, be a boss babe, or whatever's going on in your head, why not dress for the part? Dress for the future you that you want to feel. Put on something that makes you feel good. And just these small little things that you can do that when you put it on makes you feel good. That is you aligning towards that future self of who you want to become. And again, makes you feel good and helps you manifest faster. And also doing these things helps us to just close the gap on our present here and now reality and the future, which can come together. Even though the gate's open, we're going to close the gap. Number 7 is to declutter. I've already mentioned with, meditation, that's clearing your mind. But what about clearing your space? Right now, there is a big portal open ready for us to receive some blessings. But if our space is crowded, or we already have enough of things that we don't really feel joy about, nothing good can come in. I don't know if you've ever noticed this, but whenever you do a big decluttering, not only do you feel good, but sometimes random blessings come through. And I know sometimes in, this sort of society we're living in, and, holding on to things because what if I can, afford something else? But by thinking that, you're already creating more lack, and it's okay to let things go of in your space that don't make you feel good. So today is a good day, if you have that day off, to just declutter and clear up your home, your space. If you look around your space and it makes you feel stressed, or you don't like that painting on the wall, declutter everything. I'm talking things from exes that you're no longer in contact with, from friends or people that you no longer associate with, or maybe even books that no longer resonate with you. Throw away anything from your old aspect of your identity that you don't want to bring into your future, because the gate's open, and once you clear that stuff away, you will be able to receive more. Get yourself a big bin bag and start to declutter. And number 8 is self-care. This is a great day to do some yoga. You can do some EFT, which is emotional freedom technique. I've got loads on my channel. It's a great day to have a bubble bath. Also, you could unfollow people on social media. Just do a declearing, a spiritual cleanse, and take care of your energy. You could read a book that inspires you. This is a day not to go all out, but a day to reflect and spend time in your own company and take care of your beautiful self, because you deserve it. Just allow your mind to have space for inspiration to enter. When our minds are cluttered or we're comparing ourselves, we're not feeling good, and just move your body, shake it out, do some tapping, just really slow down on this day. If you're not taking care of you and you're always expecting the universe or somebody else to give you the things that you need to feel good, you're not going to enjoy your life. You'll always be relying on external things to bring you joy, whether that could be on Instagram or whatever you have. You think once you have this amount of followers or likes, then you'll be happy. It's that then I'll be happy syndrome. And you're like, universe, once you give me this thing, I promise I'll be happy. That is not the way to receive. You already have to feel that way. And I know sometimes it can be hard, but just taking one of these 8 ideas for this day, you can apply them, and this is a great day to really use this once in a year energy and cultivate it and create something beautiful. And that is the 8 things that you can do on the Lionsgate Portal. Do let me know if there's any one of those that you're like, yes, I want to do that. And if there's anything else that you want to share that you do on the 8/8 Portal, definitely comment below. You can inspire other people. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the content. Like I said, I have a meditation and some yoga as well for the Lionsgate Portal that you can find in the links below. And I will see you hopefully in another video. Happy Lionsgate. Open the portal and receive.